In my previous video, we undertook a forest walk and reached the Mahadev Temple. Flowers are sold near the entrance of the temple. This temple is nestled in the cradle of Mother Earth. Nature is at its best. The architecture of the temple has intricate geometrical designs, whether on the ceiling or the walls or even the pillars. We could see Lord Ganesha, Mahavishnu, Goddess Durga, Mahadevji and Nag Devatas. We could see the Gopuram too has geometrical shapes. See you soon in my next video about a few temples of Goa.